morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn our poem number 4. And the name of the poem is Tiger. After reading the name of the poem, what you came to know, you are going to understand that this poem is regarding the tiger. Is it or not? And tiger is our national animal. Though tiger is our national animal, there are very less tigers in our country. That specially white tiger is not at all there now. And this poem is written by K.K.N. Daruvala. So at first we have to learn about regarding the poem. Page number 86. About the poet. K.K.N. Daruvala is a contemporary Indian writer who uses a lot of imaginary from nature. He is the winner of 1984 Sahitya Academy Award for the Keeper of Dead. Appropriation of in April Crossing of Rivers. The Commonwealth Poetry Award in 1987 for another literary work, Landscape. While pursuing his craft of writing, K.K.N. Daruvala served an Indian police service and he became social assistant to the Prime Ministers of International Affairs. Some of his important works are Under Orion, A Summer of Tigers, and The Minister of Permanent Unrest and Other Stories. He had not written a number of poems. But whatever poems he had written, those are famous. Before start the poem, I would like ask you some questions to you. Is it or not? Some years back, you came to know that Salman Khan has got one big blame on his head that he hunted some deers when he went for the film shoot. It's our bonded duty that we must have to save our national animal. Not only national animal, we must have to show courtesy, sympathy on our wild animals. Wild animals are very important to our country. Why? Those are giving protection to our forests. And due to forest, we are getting medicines. We are getting so many important things from forest. For example, very rare medicines we are getting from some trees. We are getting some rich kind of wood. Is it or not? So that it's our bonded duty that we must have to save the tigers. Not only tigers. Regarding this poem, we must have to save the tigers. But we must shout to if we want to keep our forest clean, neat and safe from enemies, we must shout to take care of our animals also. Why this poet has written this poem? He wants to tell to all human beings that we must have the tiger, which is our national animal. We can't see it now. We can see in the zoos, only zoo. That was a 1 or 2. It is going to sit in one corner. But very less quantity tigers we can see on the earth now. So poet is telling, K.K.N. Daruvala is telling us, he is suggesting us, it's our national animal. We must have to save it. And our national animal, tiger, when it's going to roar, just one roar, small birds, small creatures are going to run. Such a power there in its roaring. But now not there. Why? Because there are very less quantity tigers remain on our earth now. So this poet is suggesting us it's our national duty, it's our bonded duty, and it's must and should everyone has to try to save the tigers. So, dear students, let us start the poem. But before start the poem, we must have to complete our warm-up activity. What is your warm-up activity? Page number 84. List some endangered animals. You must have to make a list. And these questions you must have to write in your fair notes yourself. You must have to write answers. I won't give any kind of answers to you. Why are they considered endangered? Why they considered as endangered? Do you think it is right to kill animals? One small 2 lines of poems I would like to teach you. Little children never give pain to things that feel and live. You should not give trouble. You should not hurt any animals. The things which have emotions, feelings. Do you think it is right to kill animals? Are you going to kill any animals? You are giving them protection or you are killing? Just you think yourself. What happens if the wild animal is endangered? What happens if the wild animal is endangered? You have to think. Write your own answers. Don't take help of Google or mobile or your elder. Just this is a warm-up activity. And you must have to do it with your own. So my dear students, now I am going to teach you poem, page number 84. I am going to start the poem. The tiger isn't burning bright, either in shadow or in sun. The tiger's family is thinking 2 by 2 and 1 by 1. The tiger isn't burning bright in the forest of a night or in the wilderness of a day. We need to understand its plight. First 2 stanza, poet was telling. First stanza he is telling the tiger isn't burning bright either in shadow or in sun. Tiger isn't burning bright. We can't see so much powerful tiger nowadays. Not in the shadow, not in the sun. Either in shadow or in sun, the tiger's family is thinking, because there are very less rare tigers on the earth there now. The tiger family is thinking 2 by 2 and 1 by 1. Very less tigers are there on the earth now. Our population, so much population there. We left back China also in the population. But see, very less population there in tigers. The tiger isn't burning bright in the forest of a night or in the wilderness of a day. We need to understand its plight. Tiger won't roar now. Either in the sunlight also we can't see, in the shadow also we can't see, even in the forest also we can't see tiger. Because we need to understand its plight. We must have to understand that there are very less tigers are there on the earth. Though it is a national animal, though it is very powerful animal, though remaining all animals are going to scare the tiger, but nowadays we can see very rarely tigers even in the zoo also. In that zoo also the tiger we can see is sitting in one corner itself. So poet is telling, you must have to understand. What we have to understand, there are very few tigers out there on the earth. And we must have to finish our duty to by giving them protection. To whom we have to protect? We must have to protect our national animal. Otherwise it will become like just we must have to think that once upon a time, after some days, what it will happen? Just we must have to show the picture of the tiger for next generation. They won't see real tiger. So our poet is telling to us that it's our bonded duty. We must have to save the tigers. Today's class, this is enough. I will teach you remaining complete poem in the next class. Till then, take care.